Hi there. Let's look at how to apply unique permissions to a document library within your SharePoint site. Now this will be a little bit of a curveball on this one because this example I will be doing shows a unique permission level on this document library already. So how do I get a different one on it? So I changed my mind as to what permissions I want. So just to kind of give you some background, on the left side of my screen, you see that I'm in the marketing SharePoint site. The document library that I'm on is online course website. No documents in it yet, so I'm just getting it ready. And if I go to the site settings at the top here and look at site permissions, and if I go to advanced permissions, you'll see I have online course edit, which allows people to contribute only, and I have design and edit, which allows people to design and edit. So those are two extra permission levels I created on this site. So let's go out of that and back to home. Now, as I said, I've applied some permissions already to this actual document library, but I've changed my mind. So I've got this document library online course website here. I'm going to go to the site, the settings for this library. So the settings button, library settings, more library settings, permissions for this document library. So it's already been customized. And so I told it to stop inheriting the permissions, and I got rid of some of the permissions that were already there, and I left it with the marketing owners only and one of my permission levels. Well, I want to have that other permission level that I created in here as well, but there isn't anything letting me create another permission level or add it to here. So what I have to do is go delete unique permissions. So I have to kind of go back to scratch. And it says you're about to inherit what you had from the entire site. So that's okay, choose okay. But then it'll show me all my permissions. So now I have all my permissions showing again. So now I see design and edit and everything else. So now I'm going to say stop inheriting. Okay, so I just kind of had to go back. Stop inheriting, and now I'm going to choose design, and I'm going to get rid of the ones I don't want. So I don't want visitors, I don't want the members, I don't want the online course edit. So I'm going to say remove those user permissions. And now I'm left with design and edit and marketing owners. So really all I had to do to change my mind about what unique permission level I wanted for that document library was to go to delete unique permissions and start again. All right. Okay, have fun.